Yeah, welcome to the short video clip on how to turn improper fractions to mixed numbers. Okay, so whenever we've got an improper fraction or a top-heavy fraction, as you might know it, sometimes we need to convert those into a mixed number. Okay, not always, but sometimes. And so in the first question here, we've got write 39 over 5 as a mixed number. Now it's important to remember this line on a fraction, it means to divide. So we're looking at 39 divided by 5. Okay. Now this bit is not going to be neat, it's not going to be pretty. Okay, we have to do what I like to call a little bit of messy working out. Okay, so I'm going to turn this fraction into a short division. Okay, so I've got 39 divided by 5, which I'm going to put into a bus stop. Okay, so I've got 5 on the outside and 39 underneath. Okay, so I've got 5s into 39. Right, well 5s into 3 don't go, so 5s into 39. Well, if you need to, if it helps you, write out your 5 times table, or whatever number is here. It's 5 in this case. I'm going to write out my 5 times table underneath until I get to 10 times 5, because I won't need any more than that. And 10 times 5 is 50. Okay, so 5s into 39 go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 5 is 35. There are remainder 4. Now, previously you may have written it as this, 7 remainder 4. Now, cannot do this anymore. It's asked to write as a mixed number, so that remainder that we have has got to be written as a fraction. So I'm just going to write it out again over here. So 5 into 39, and we said it was 7, and there were 4 remaining. Now, that remaining 4 has also got to be divided by 5. So remember that fraction line means to divide. It's as simple as that, is that remaining number over the original number of your fraction. So it becomes 7 4/5. Okay, let's see another example so you can see that clearly again. Okay, so write 68 as a mixed number. Okay, so we've got 8 into 60. Now I'm going to write out my 8 times table underneath, so that's 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80. Right. 8s into 6s don't go, so 8s into 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's too many, so 7 again. 7 times 8 is 56. Again, there is 4 remaining, so it's 4 out of 8, because 8 is the number I'm dividing by. Remainder 4 over 8. So 60 over 8 is equal to 7 4/8. However, we can do one more thing with this example. That fraction of 4/8 can be simplified. Okay, both 4 and 8 are in the 4 times table, so we can simplify that. So it's actually 7 1/2. Okay, and that is how we turn an improper fraction to a mixed number, simply by dividing, and then whatever remainder you have left, you put it into a fraction where the bottom number, the denominator, is the original denominator of your top-heavy fraction.